What is up guys, my name is Wong and we are back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all the new parts that I've bought for my JDM DC5 Type R, and I'm super excited because this is a build that I've been wanting to go on for a very long time, and I've finally accumulated a bunch of parts that I feel is pretty much worthy enough to show you guys. I've got a lot of things that I want to get done with this car, and this is literally the first step into diving into the Type R. So if you guys want to see some more epic car reviews and some more automotive builds here on YouTube, consider subscribing to the channel, and let's get straight into it, shall we? So first up, we've got my JDM Integra DC5 Type R wheels, and they're in 17-inch all round. As you can see, they're painted, well, sort of painted in championship white, so the NHO paint code, but they are pretty rough and they need quite a fair bit of TLC, and I honestly wouldn't be putting these on my car as is. It does need quite a bit of work to get it to the standard that I want, and I think it wouldn't complement the overall condition of my car. In saying that, we're going to be getting these wheels professionally restored to the factory finish, and I'm also going to be sourcing the original JDM OEM center caps, which will just finish off the wheel completely. Personally, I think one of the best color combinations on a car is white on white, and so when these are all done and fitted onto the car, it's going to really have that Type R bloodline, and it's just going to look so JDM and awesome. Alright, time for the next one. So with the wheels out the way, let's get on with the rest of the parts. As you can see, this is pretty obvious. It is the OEM intake manifold cover, and this thing just really completes the entire engine bay. So I'll quickly open this and show you what it looks like underneath this bubble wrap. This looks so clean. Alright, it's got a few scuffs and scratches, but overall, it looks pretty darn good, and I think this is going to really complement my engine bay. Quickly show you what my engine bay looks like. Good old spoon key. So this is what the beast currently has under the hood. Obviously the K20A. Don't know if it'll actually look better, but I think it will. Let's just sit that right on there. All right, time to open up this box. First up, you can see it already. This is a genuine OEM DC5 Type R shift boot, and this is really gonna complement, obviously, the interior. It's gonna look so nice in there because currently, I'd show you guys, it's on the other side, but I honestly have to walk all the way around just to show you, but this is gonna look really nice in the interior compartment because there is no shift boot right now. It's got the Hybrid Racing V3 shifter, and that deletes everything. You can put this on, but it doesn't really look quite right. So this is gonna look super good. So I'm just gonna leave this, where's clean around here? Let's just put it here. All right, let's dive into what's here. As you guys can already tell, I have ordered an OEM DC5 Type R shifter. I'm just gonna quickly open this. It's gonna work real nicely with that shift boot that I just chucked on top of my windshield. Yes, there it is. So this is the OEM DC5 Type R JDM shifter. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, this is super notchy. I love the way that this feels. This is how it should have been from factory, and it's been replaced with a short shifter with the Hybrid Racing shifter kit. And I know it's a little bit more quick to shift through the gears and it's brought a little bit closer to you, but this is so nice to shift when it's bone stock and right. So I'm gonna go put that shift boot on top. So if you guys can imagine, this is the shifter, and the shift boot itself sits on top like this. Obviously you've got the center console compartment which hides all this white plastic area, and you've got your OEM DC5 Type R shift knob, and you just roll through the gears and bang through VTEC. It's just gonna be so good when this is all fitted back into the car. I think it's gonna look epic. And with regards to the current Hybrid Racing shifter in there, I'm honestly thinking of putting it into my K-swapped EG, which is literally sitting right next to this car. So that's sweet. I can't believe it's finally here. It's gonna be epic once installed into the car. Let's see what else is in this box of goodies. Okay, you can already see what it is. This is the OEM, hopefully it's the OEM. Yes. This is the OEM JDM DC5 Type R steering wheel. This is gonna be a beast in here. Currently in the car, I've got a personal steering wheel, which feels really nice in the fingertips, but it's always nice to have the OEM steering wheel, and this condition on this wheel is absolutely amazing. There's no rips, tears, or any scuffs at all. It's in such good nick. I mean, look at it. I can't believe how good this thing has been kept. Wow, I'm really impressed with the overall quality and fit and finish. Normally these things get really bad sun fade at the top, and there's really bad fade on the sides from obviously all the wear and tear, but this is an excellent nick. So obviously the horn button, which gets attached to the OEM horn, I'm just gonna put this in the box. Hopefully I don't forget that. This is obviously going to be the horn itself and the airbag. So we'll quickly open this. Yes. Ooh. Oh, that is so clean. Look at that. There's a few, I guess, oil marks. Just got to give it a good clean, and those oil marks could potentially come off. But overall, this airbag and horn unit is really, really clean. I mean, the chrome on it is super slick. There's a little scratch here and there, but I mean, get a load of it. It's in really good condition as well. So this literally sits right in the heart of this steering wheel. This is how it looks. It's gonna look so good in the car. Can't wait. Get a load of that. I mean, how could you not like the OEM steering wheel from the DC5 Type R? The chrome badge on the steering wheel actually indicates that it's a JDM Type R steering wheel. That's a little fun fact. Here in Australia, we got a matte finish on the badge here in the center, and that's to indicate that it's an ADM steering wheel. So little touches to show that it's JDM on the Momo DC5 wheel, and I can't believe it's a Momo wheel as well, so you know it's going to be quality from the get-go. Awesome pickup here, and it's going to look really nice in the overall cabin of the Type R. So we're down to the last box of the day. I can't wait to see what's in it. Let's get it open. Ooh! So these are my OEM JDM DC5 Honda Access floor mats. So I'll show you guys the current floor mat situation in my car. These look really, really mint. As you can see, they're really deep red, barely any wear at all. I mean, obviously if you're looking at this directly, it's gonna look quite faded compared to a flat red. So to show that it's an Access and JDM part, this is Honda Access here. So these are the fronts, the passenger side. These are the rear mats. So this is the current situation for my carpets in my DC5. So you can see they're not the nicest. My seats are immaculate, but when you look down here, not really the case with the carpet. So I am really glad that I got these parts. Well, that about wraps up this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed my little walk around and unboxing of all the JDM parts that I've accumulated for my DC5 Integra Type R. It's been a whole lot of fun showing you guys what I have in store, and there's just so much more to come. I really hope you guys stay tuned with the build, because it's going to be something truly special when it's all said and done. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. In the comments below, tell me what you like about the DC5 Type R, and as well as that, other parts and things you suggest I should be doing on the car, because honestly, I want to hear what you guys reckon I should do. And as well as that, consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please take care. Bye for now.